Okay, guys. Hey, I'm back. And this is what I did with my LPS short haircut. I fixed her up a little bit from the other outfit. Hang on, I know you can't see that through, but here she is. I ordered these nerd glasses from Sandy's LPS accessories, I think. It might be something different, but it was something like that. And this skirt for the littlest pets on eBay it was from. I love her. She is absolutely my favorite LPS clothing maker. So, we are going to do a little role play with her and her cousin. I'll be right back. Wisteria, right here. Right here. And you've seen her already. She's my dachshund, and she's super pretty. So, we're going to do a little role play. I'll just tilt the camera the other way. Well, that's a really bad background. So, I'll just do it here, and I'll walk around on the other side and fix the camera there. So, I'll be right back. Is that focusing on them? Almost. Let me check. Okay, so, without further ado, let's begin. Well, this is the place. Where is everybody? What's that thing? Hello? Hello? Oh well, guess you're not home. Hello, cousin. Where are you, Wisteria? 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 Let me go look for her. Hey, is that my cousin? Wisteria? 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 Oh my goodness, Lilac! Your outfit looks amazing on you. Oh, thank you. You made it? Yep, I can tell. It looks wonderful. Thank you. Want to go get a mint ice cream? Did you read my mind? I love mint ice creams. It reminds me when I was in Paris with my sister. Oh, yeah, I heard that she's maybe coming. Oh my goodness, really? I'm so excited. Well, let's go get that ice cream. Bye, KCBC fans. Yeah, bye.